Welcome back. Well, the health show of DD News, Total Health, it's completed 600 episodes. And on the occasion, the Prasar Bharati chairman Surya Prakash, CEO Jawahar Sarkar, they lauded the Total Health program for setting the benchmark in informing and educating people of India about holistic and comprehensive health, and also keeping the motto of public service broadcasting alive in the country.
किस तरह से अपने स्वास्थ्य को संपूर्ण स्वास्थ्य यानी टोटल हेल्थ की तरफ ले जाया जा सकता है।
जॉन एलिया का एक शेर है, वो ये कहते हैं कि कौन इस घर की देखभाल करे, रोज एक चीज टूट जाती है।
The Total Health program of DD News, which informs and educates the people on health issues, has completed 600 episodes. During this period, Total Health has completed several milestones, and the DD News viewers from across the country got to know about different diseases through this show, and how to cope and prevent such diseases was also provided by this health program. On this occasion, Prasar Bharati chairman Dr. Surya Prakash said that this program in the real sense epitomizes the main motto of Bahujan Hitaya, Bahujan Sukhaya, which a public broadcaster is expected to perform.
Total Health program of Doordarshan News, which is truly extraordinary, completing 600 episodes, and I wish and pray that we will see the 1000th episode of this program. It is in DD News, our colleagues have developed several specialist programs over the years. Among them, I will say that this is probably the most popular.
Chief Executive Officer of Prasar Bharati, Jawahar Sarkar, has said that Total Health is a brand of DD News, and this show would continue in future as well and would be available to viewers tuning into other channels of Doordarshan.
Hindi Belt channel mein, this will be a very good program if you can repeat it, but gradually arrive at a particular time and date, because remember, that is the branding of a program.
Doctors who have been giving health-related information to viewers in Total Health show said that this show is the only health program in the world which gives information about how to cure diseases and prevent them from occurring.
आम आदमी तो इससे जुड़ा हुआ है ही, इसमें बहुत जानकारी हमारे अपने प्रोफेशन के लोगों को भी इसके माध्यम से मिलती है।
किसी गांव में कोई बैठा हुआ अपने एक फ़ोन के माध्यम से एक विशेषज्ञों के पैनल से अपनी बातचीत करके अपनी समस्याओं का निदान कर लेता है।
Director General of DD News and ADG said that Total Health has been helpful in health awareness, and the process would continue in future as well.
In this program, we not only talk about diseases, but we talk about various lifestyle issues also. How to cure diseases, how to prevent them from occurrence.
भारत में स्वास्थ्य की चिंता है और चिंता रहेगा, बढ़ता जा रहा है। मुझे लग रहा है कि जब तक ये चिंता रहेगा तब तक टोटल हेल्थ का जरूरत होगा और टोटल हेल्थ आगे बढ़ता रहेगा।
DD News, as a public broadcaster, has been continuously informing the citizens of the country about news and information with objectivity and without any bias or sensation, in a format easily understood by the people. And the 600th episode of Total Health is a feather in its cap. Bureau Report, DD News.